now. I know what's going on in your head, yeah. I know what's happened here in our bed, yeah. Your phone is buzzing.
Hey guys, we are gonna play Alien Sand, so yeah, I'm sorry I really don't do Alien video. I think I only did like one Alien video, I think. Not a problem. I don't get set up my what's this? The button. I don't mind. This probably a day I usually have to do. Oh, there, you can get on here. Ew, damn. There's like a game to do. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay. What's this? This what is your oh what the oh this silly. Ooh. Okay. I don't okay, am I there you go. Okay that can't be on here. Maybe I do a fit. There you go. I yep, is that how you do it? Get it. Wow, four, that's good. Um, wow, I did. You, I was so something. Um, a sad on that round. Um, this is, I don't even have to see about anyone. Sorry today I didn't like, something this video. I did like a, info. I didn't really do anything like that because, I don't know. You, doing it well. Maybe on the next video, I'm gonna do for your IE today. Try to follow me today. I'm gonna be like posting a lot for you. So I might be making a IU video today. I'm not gonna follow you. That's necessarily what you're doing, are you? Let me like put font on it, like put a fight on it. Not my thing to put a font. Good old thing, and you go. I'm trying to get that. There you go. Oh shit, that's not good. Oh god, I will. Here you go. That's not how you do it. Really. Thank you. Did the note wow, this one look cute. Why are we doing this? We can do the LD too. By the way, it's been a long time playing Aliens and I didn't like Faye that much. I don't know. I was like mostly on movies of Reddit. Already. Oh, wow. I'm gonna get all the beetle. I think it's beetle, you know, or like weird butterfly or something. I don't even know. I probably beetle. You gotta kill. I don't like beetle. It's just going well. Maybe I do that. I'll hit one. Yeah. Beat them back and hit that one all. I don't really know. Well, I'll add this. I think this line honestly. Here you go. Can I get an one? No. Yeah, but I could. No. Yes. Okay, so I've been on. Wow. Wow, I did 40. Wow, I'm gonna do audio one. Yeah, it's a demon. Thank you. I thank you very much. Okay. I don't know what to do. I didn't want to take that anyway. Oh, is this fantasy? Oh yeah. Pot time. I don't know why I'm just doing it. It's just so itchy. I'll be a fan. Oh god. I said all bunny. Yeah, pot time. Hey. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing in my life. But this video is gonna be every time. I don't know what I'm going to do. Did I unlock anything like Ariel? The Albert I could. No. Sad. We are a butterfly. I don't know how you unlock the butterfly. You. Oh my god, you can't see what this one do. What is this one? What's this one do? What are you doing? What are you gonna do? Oh shit, I think I see what you gotta do. Oh god, then I put it going. Oh god. Oh, you. Okay, I get what you're gonna do now. Go. I said, no, 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 no. No, no, yeah, yeah. Okay, I'm so through the thing now. Pink, um, um, go on. Who go away at sales? I don't get it. Okay, I'm so confused. Don't bring me. Oh God, no, 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 no. God damn it. Oh God. God damn it. God. Okay, I'm a real thing, so don't you just. This is the same thing. I don't wanna. Hey, oh my God, I wanna add y'all. You're new and you're pink, and I don't know why it's pink, and I like adding people to pink, and it's just. Oh, this is my fault. Tell here, faulty. They tell people that name because it's fault, then you know what? We got no neat name for it. Tell them that you already fault. Adding, adding. The next tutorial is on the weird thing now, but I'm going. Why am I in here yet again? Hi. But remember, if y'all wanna add your area again, my name is Angel Ruth Daisy. Go add that. If you want to, I really, really don't tell. Well, I do tell. I don't know if I'm people tell my life. Oh, a cute kitty. Oh my god, you can get a kitty tattoo. Oh, it's a lot. Wait, is that? Hey, I'm not a kitty. I like to know this. This is so cute. So cute. I like kitty. Wait, I hate onion, but I don't know why I do that. No, Done. Wait, damn it. Banana. 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 Ah. Banana. Banana. Okay, I don't know what to do in my life. I'm just literally making friendly food. I put that like that. Okay. I don't even know what to do in my life. No. Done. Okay, I don't know what to do in my life. I don't know what to do in my life. Oh, the cute food, I don't know. Oh, why is somebody pizza in his voice so cute? Oh, thank you for my friend. Oh, wait, you find me because I don't know. You're cute, Addie. You're cute. I don't know what I do or funny about you. Um, I don't know what to do right now, darling. Oh, hi, Bunny. What are you, Bunny? Better tap my phone cafe. Okay. I don't think he's gonna set my fan badge. He hate Root probably. I'm a Root. Oh, thank you, Rooty. Can hear you, Root. Okay, he doesn't want to wait all the time. Adding. I think he's VIP or something. Thinking about us, it's like he defined my thing. That he did. Wow, what an asshole. Don't vent touching. I don't like touching and don't like the video. It has touching in it sometimes. That's the proof from my fan. Oh, thank you. I thought you wouldn't be my fan. You always just define me every time the proof and think I'm ugly and I'm trying to be cute, but it's just my feeling. I don't think one would be fan of me. Would it? I don't think so. People always define me because the way I don't even know my way. Myself. How we freaking phase it? I don't know how. Oh, I think it is. I think this is how you do it. Okay, I don't know. Um, you have to ask me to move my ass. I was wondering. I think I know. Oh, there you go. I'm trying to get where we're gonna do. Oh shit. Okay. Oh, how? No, no. Dang it. Your mind get hit. Wow. That is, that, I don't know. You just put, ah! Ah! I don't know what I'm feeling. Ah! Well, this YouTube video is ending now. I hope you love this video and your stand if you want more and like this video and comment and to find and or I don't know to like this video and I will do more videos this video in the future. So I'm gonna go now. Bye guys. Had a good day and I'll be more video of the day. Bye.